Okay. There you go.
Oh, good one, Kendra.
There you go.
Mommy.
Get angry.
Next girl.
That's right.
Okay.
Next girl.
Wait a minute.
No. Okay, go hit it. Oh, Ina.
Just think if you hit it hard enough, you'll get candy. Hit it.
Come on.
There's candy in there, Ina.
There's candy in there.
Make it lower, yeah. Make it lower.
Yeah, hit it. Come on.
Oh,
That's cool.
And there's whistle.
Okay, who's next?
Okay.
Getting hard.
Pag nagpa-party ako,
Yeah.
bahay.
Hit it right, baby. Hit it.
Take it out.
Go get it, Sarah.
Dahil sa likod.
She looks very determined.
Here, come on. Okay, Rebecca.
All right, Beck. Knock it. Knock it one.
Wait.
You want the candy, don't you? Hit it.
Harder.
Harder.
Feeling ko 80.
Harder.
Good job. Yeah.
Some more.
One more.
Okay, Beck.
Yeah.
Come on, Becca. Think of the candy.
Come on, Becca. Yay! Good girl, Becca.
She's next.
Good girl.
Right now, you ready?
Yay! You
Here.
did a good job, Becca.
There you go.
Come on, hit it hard.
Okay, Sophie, get the candy out of there. Sophie, go.
Oh, oh, that's nice.
Get it in there.
Take off a wing. Get it. Come on.
Shake the eye.
Do something. Take off a wing. Let's go. There you go.
Oh, good one.
All right.
Okay, who's
Who's up?
next? It's not
Okay, boys.
Don't let go of that bat.
Everybody ready?
Come on here.
I think it might come.
Guys, come on here. Becca, come here.
Okay, one more.
All right,
See how many you can get.
There you go, Jay.
Alright, he's got it.
Oh! Yeah!
That's it.
Good job, come on! Becca, come on, give it to me. Come on, Becca, come on!
I'm just trying to pelt you with candy.
That's a lot. What's the lot in it?
Yeah, bag.
I'll just leave it.
We need bags here.
You do need bags.
Who has that?
Yeah.
Here. Okay, put it here, Sarah.
Oh.
There's still stuff there.
I'm speaking. Okay.